In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MyFitnessPal to Strava. So in order to connect these two together, what we can do is we first need to head over and then install both into our device. Once you have that installed, I have in here this help article from MyFitnessPal Strava. Now, in order to connect those two apps, you just need to head over to Strava website or onto the app itself, over to your profile picture and select settings, and then go over to the My Apps. From in there, just head over and look for the MyFitnessPal under the social connections. Now, you can also go to MyFitnessPal app, select More, click on Apps and Devices, and search for Strava. So all your activities, including activity type, calories, duration, and speed, will be synced to MyFitnessPal and Strava itself. So you can just head over and then do this method in order to share those two together. So that's how you connect MyFitnessPal to Strava. Hope we help.